morning, everybody. Today, I would like to read you a book called Bear Counts by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. Now, when I'm reading this book, I'm going to have you guys help me count. Are you ready? Here we go. Bear Counts. Mouse and bear share breakfast, basking in the morning sun. Bear looks up and points, and the bear counts. 1. One sun floating high. 1 giant dragonfly. 1 robin on her nest. And only 1 berry left. Numbers, numbers everywhere. Can you count along with Bear? What number is this? 1. Good job. Mouse and Bear see a hare, and Hare calls out, "Howdy do!" He is holding yummy fruit, and the bear counts. 2. 2 paws which hold a treat. 1, 2 apples crisp and sweet. 1, 2 stumps for perfect chairs. 2 friends who love to share. Numbers, numbers everywhere. Can you count along with Bear? Here we go. 1, 2. Bear hears funny sounds coming from an aspen tree. It is raven, owl, and wren, and the bear counts 3. 3 chums who chitter-chat. 1, 2, 3 funny muskrats. 1, 2, 3 clouds above the trees. And 1, 2, 3 bumbling bunny bees. Numbers, numbers everywhere. Can you count along with Bear? Here we go. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Bear cries, "Look! It's Badger! Mole and gopher by the shore." Badger has his fishing pole, and the bear counts 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 fish splish and splash. 1, 2, 3, 4 geese waddle past. 1, 2, 3, 4 turtles on a log. 1, 2, 3, 4 croaking, hopping frogs. Numbers, numbers everywhere. Can you count along with Bear? Here we go. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Mouse squeaks, "Let's go swimming." And in the pond they dive. The friends float in the pond, and the bear counts 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 5 ducks in the water. 1, 2, 3, 4 5 lively river otters. 1, 2, 3, 4 5 lily pads. And 1, 2, 3, 4 5 pinching crawdads. Numbers, numbers everywhere. Now you can count just like Bear. Are you ready? Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you have fun counting in our book today? I had fun. Now today I want you to count your toys or count your crayons. Count the plates on the table when you eat lunch. Have fun counting, guys. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.